Understanding split screen, a guide to the phrase. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the phrase split screen and its uses in both everyday and technological contexts. If you've ever multitasked on a computer or watched a competitive game show, you're likely already familiar with this concept. Let's dive in and clear up any confusion about what it means to have a split screen. The term split screen refers to a display technique where the screen is divided into two or more sections, allowing multiple activities or views to be shown simultaneously. This can happen on your TV, computer, or even smartphone. In everyday language, when someone says they have a split screen situation, they might be referring to a scenario where their attention is divided. For example, watching TV while working on a laptop could be a real-life split-screen scenario. In a technological sense, split screen is a feature that enables a user to work with multiple applications or documents at the same time. This boosts productivity and allows for easier multitasking. Using split screen is usually straightforward. On most devices, you can drag an app or window to one side of the screen until it snaps into place. Then, you can open another app or window and do the same on the other side. Split screen is a versatile term that applies to both our daily lives and the technology we use. Hopefully, this video has clarified what it means and how you can use it to your advantage. Until next time, happy multitasking!